Athens in ancient Greek was pronounced as Atheenai. The long E with the rising and falling pitch and the long I with the falling pitch can be considered alarm sounds. I. As they share acoustic features with distress sounds such as cries, screams and moans. These types of sounds are common in ancient Greek, and they raise the focus and sense of urgency in the ancient Greek population. And with this underlying drive and focus, the ancient Greeks were able to develop the most advanced ancient civilization on which the Romans and later the Western modern civilization was based.